Good Tuesday morning, Southwest Arkansas. Welcome back, Southwest Arkansas weather. In today's outlook, we're going to talk about today's forecast, the 4th of July forecast or outlook. Go over what we're seeing in the tropics, a Category 5 hurricane now, the second named system of the year, and the 6 day forecast for the rest of this upcoming week and such there as well. So, starting off here with the current conditions across the area. Here as well. And you can see current satellite shows pretty much the main story. Sunny skies, few clouds here or there across the area, but not a whole lot going on there as well. And temperatures as of 8:30 are in the already warming up into the mid 70s here around 8 a.m. Already into the lower 80s down there in Texarkana as of 8:26. But as you can see, we're going to warm up nicely. Radar's pretty much showing the story as well. Clear conditions, not expecting too much in terms of rainfall and such there as well today. We do have a 10% chance of, an isolated shower or storm. As always, though, just in case it's that time of year, you got to watch for those there as well and such. But as you can see, today's forecasted highs are going to be in the lower mid 90s to upper 90s. A few 100-degree highs could be possible across Texarkana, Magnolia, that southern area. I do expect a few 100-degree temperatures to be possible. Heat index values will be up around 110 down there in that Texarkana area. Currently have them up to 111. And once again, heat index values will be over the 100-degree mark. Heat index advisories and excessive heat warnings are out for the day today across the area. And as always, it's that time of year. We got a nice break from the heat indexes for the most part yesterday, but the heat indexes are back, and that's going to look to continue at least through Thursday as well there with that. But then as we go into tonight as well, overnight lows tonight are going to be in the lower to mid, or well, really pretty much the mid 70s, mid to upper 70s look likely for your overnight lows tonight. About normal for this time of year and such there as well. So real quickly here, let's talk a little bit about what we're seeing in the tropics real quick here. And real quickly, let me pull up the satellite and show you what we're seeing down here with this. And man, what a hurricane this is. A strong Category 5 hurricane. I think 160 to 165 mile per hour sustained winds, which is 1 minute winds. Basically, winds occurring at 1 minute, and look at that. It's a strong hurricane. It's a major hurricane, and the track is going to continue it. And I'll show you this here in just a minute. But look at that. That you can see the eye there getting even tighter on a satellite there as well. But that's just a very, very big hurricane, major hurricane there, second one of the year. It did beat the record for Hurricane Emily yesterday to be the first or the quickest Category 5, as back in 2005, Hurricane Emily was the earliest Category 5 in the year on July 17th, and July the 2nd or July 1st we had a Category 5 hurricane today, or well, yesterday, Hurricane Burley. I probably mispronounced that, but I apologize for that if I did. But let's take a look here real quickly at the track of this and show you where this is going to continue to head towards. As you can see, it's a Category 5. It's supposed to weaken, but we'll watch closely. It's supposed to continue over the Jamaica area. Jamaica is going to be in for a big storm there in the Cayman Islands and such there as well. And then it's supposed to go over the Yucatan here, and depending on what occurs here, it's supposed to weaken back into a tropical storm and then go into the Gulf. This is, I think, as of the forecast time of the 7th, so this weekend is a tropical storm and enter the Gulf. The biggest question is what occurs after this for us here in Southwest Arkansas. I definitely, if you're along the Gulf Coast, I want you to stay weather aware. If you're planning on vacationing or going out there to the Gulf, just be careful, be weather aware this weekend, because we are seeing models kind of trend that it's showing a trend of maybe making a northern turn. If that occurs, that's putting it up somewhere in this general area. But I do want to there's always a but with this. It's still a little far out. This is the official track from the Hurricane Center, from the National Hurricane Center, as you can see. So at this time, depending on what occurs here, we'll have to wait and see as we get a little closer to get a better understanding for sure of what could happen. There has been a noticeable trend. That data is kind of making it or showing it turning north after that, and then what occurs there will be determined, at a later time when we get closer. But if that trend continues, we'll have to watch it. That's just data. Here's the official track, and here's what we currently have right now, as it's going to go into the Gulf. Depending on what happens here, once again, we'll watch it and see. It's just still too early to say, oh, hey, Arkansas is going to see impacts from it or somewhere like that. It's too early. And we'll continue to watch it and monitor it. If you know anybody that's going out to the Gulf to vacation, anybody just that's going out there or lives in that area, just give them a heads up and let them know to keep an eye on this, just in case. It's that time of year, and we're going to continue to watch it and such there as well. So real quickly here, I do also want to talk about, we do have a few more other areas. This area right behind this actual hurricane, which it's gone down some. It's now got an overall low chance of development, but we could potentially see another system try to get going, but it's got a low overall development and such there as well. Then over here in the Pacific, it's got a medium chance, but that is going to stay over here. This is something that we're watching, and really that's a tropical outlook for the next little bit there as well. So now, let's talk a little bit more about what we're seeing with our area-wide 6-day forecast, the 4th of July outlook and such there as well. As we go throughout today, 10% chance of an afternoon isolated shower or storm. Highs in the upper 90s, right there around 98 degrees. Overnight lows around 76. Sunny skies, very hot conditions. And then as we head into Wednesday, you do see maybe some rain chances overnight Wednesday. 20% chance currently of some overnight showers or storms. Forecasted highs pretty much going to be like today. Warm and hot with highs in the upper 90s, maybe a few 100-degree highs with overnight lows in the mid 70s there as well. Sunny skies continue there as well. Then as we head into Thursday, that trend continues. Sunny skies, very hot conditions throughout the day. High temperatures in the upper 90s. Heat index values will be between 105 to 115 potentially in that time frame across Arkansas. Overnight low is going to be in the lower to mid 70s. 20% chance of some overnight showers or evening overnight showers. That's something that's new at the forecast, so we'll continue to watch that and keep you updated. But for the most part, sunny skies. Make sure to stay hydrated during that time frame there on Thursday. Then as we head into the end of this time frame, Friday, or the second half of this 6-day forecast, Friday through Sunday, you do see some isolated scattered thunderstorm chances there as well on Friday. 40% chance of rain, highs in the lower to mid 90s, overnight lows right there around 70 degrees or in the upper 60s. Chance of thunderstorms, 40% chance there with mostly cloudy skies. Then as we head into Saturday, highs in the lower 90s there as well with a 30% chance of some thunderstorms and showers. Partly cloudy skies, so you may get a few peaks of sun here and there with overnight lows right there around 70 degrees or in the upper 60s. Then as we head into Sunday, we do have another chance of thunderstorms, but mostly sunny skies, highs in the lower 90s, maybe potentially around 90 degrees. So a little bit of a cool down coming with some rain chances. Overnight lows around 70. Mostly sunny skies, though, with a 20% chance of some thunderstorms and showers. So we're going to continue to monitor that and watch that closely. If there is any severe weather chances, it would be mainly for damaging wind, large hail. It's that time of year. It's hot, humid. You always have to watch for a strong storm or two potentially, and maybe some heavy rainfall out of that. But we'll keep you updated on that and all the newest. Be on the lookout on Facebook for some more information over there. Just daily posts and stuff of that nature about any new information that we have on the hurricane down there or the Gulf or any of that nature, and just in general, we'll keep you updated with all the newest. Big thanks as always to Palmer's Roofing, J&S Auto Supply, Terry's Place, Fort Smith Therapy for all they do to help us get this information to you guys. And as always, have a good rest of your Tuesday. Be on the lookout tonight for the updated 6-day forecast over on Facebook there as well. And as always, have a good rest of your Tuesday. And thank you guys very much for trusting us right here with your source for all things Southwest Arkansas weather.